Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Brussels Sprouts Baking. Today we're going to be making a cheese pizza, but with one of the ingredients being Brussels sprouts put into the crust. Keep watching to see how this recipe will turn out. Let's begin by pouring a quarter cup of warm water into a large bowl. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon of active dry yeast over the water. Allow the yeast to stand for 5 minutes. Next, stir in 1 cup of cold water. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Go ahead and grind a cup of Brussels sprouts and put that into your yeast once it's done. Then add 1 cup of bread flour and stir. Then add a 2nd cup of bread flour and stir again. Add 1 more cup of bread flour and stir until the dough forms on the sides of the bowl and peels off. Turn the dough onto a floured surface and knead it for about 10 minutes. Divide the dough into 2 pieces. Now roll each piece into a tight ball. Coat the balls with a little olive oil. And then place them in a large sealed container and refrigerate them for about 16 hours. Remove the dough from the refrigerator about 1 hour before you're ready to use it. Place a pizza stone on the lowest rack of your oven and preheat your oven to 550 degrees. Lightly dust a pizza peel with flour. Take a ball of your dough and dust it lightly with flour and stretch it until it's about 14 inches in diameter, or about the size of your pizza stone. Then arrange 3 ounces of thinly sliced mozzarella cheese on top of your dough. Grind a liberal amount of black pepper on top of the cheese. Now sprinkle it with a 1/4 teaspoon of dried oregano. Randomly arrange a 1/4 cup of no salt added canned crushed tomatoes over the cheese, making sure to leave some empty spaces. Drizzle 1½ teaspoons of olive oil on top of the tomato sauce. Now it's time to transfer the pizzas to the hot stone in the oven. Bake the pizza for 4 to 6 minutes or until the crust begins to brown. To make the second pizza, just keep the oven on. Remove the pizza from the stone, tear 3 basil leaves into pieces and sprinkle them on top of the pizzas. Now you can go ahead and cut the pizza and serve while it's hot. Try this recipe at home and tell me in the comments down below whether you like the Brussels sprouts or if you couldn't even taste them in your crust. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.